Welcome students. In migration, an individual or a group of people are migrating from one place to another. That migration can be within the region or outside of the region, even outside of the country. In migration, we are seeing the effects on two areas. One area from where the people are going out. So that region is called emigration. And the another region, that is the people are coming into the region, that is called immigration. People are going out from the region for different reasons. We can take the example, the rural areas. From rural areas, many people are going out, especially to the urban areas, for jobs, for education, for different reasons. Similarly, in immigration area, people are coming into the region. We can take the example, urban areas, because from outside areas, people are coming into the region. And so, that migration is called immigration. In both the areas, we are seeing the different impact. Today, we are going to see what impact we observe in the area of immigration and the area of immigration. First impact we see population increases or decreases. In the immigration area where people are going out from the region, in there we see the population decreases. But in the areas where population is coming into the region, population increases. Less amenities in immigration region because population is less. So the amenities, that is the services which are required by the people in the region, that is less. Water supply, electricity, transportation, health, education, facilities we see less. But in the immigration areas, because population is more and the demand of these facilities is more, so we see the pressure on amenities. Villages shrinks, that is population decreases and so the size of the village decreases. But in the immigration areas, population is coming into the region and so the coming population is settling in the outer region, due to which the size of the urban areas, city areas increases and so city areas expands. When people are going out, especially male and adults are going outside of the villages, and so in the regions from where migration of adult people is more, in this region old people and children are more because adult migration is more. But in immigration area, adults are coming and so number of children and old people is less, but the adults number is increasing. High sex ratio. Now, from rural areas, especially male migration is more and females remains in the village areas, and so we see the high sex ratio in immigration region. But in the immigration areas, male migrations is more and so the number of male increases and the number of female is less. And so we see the low sex ratio in the immigration areas. We see in the rural areas, particular caste, religion or community people are living in the areas. But in immigration areas, because population is high, different caste, community, religion, language people are living together. In rural areas, because population is less and the services are less, so the low cost of living, the goods and services which people are receiving, they are getting in cheap rates. So the cost of living is less. But in immigration areas, population is high. Services are demanded, but pressure on amenities as well. The number of goods are also less. So the prices of the goods are increasing, and that is why the cost of living in urban areas is high. In rural areas or the immigration areas, because population is less, so less pollution is there. We can say that there is no much pollution. But in immigration region, because population is high, transportation is there, the garbage is there, so we see the high pollution in the region. So these are some of the effects which we are observing in the emigration area as well as immigration areas. Thank you.